Look out, everyone. We got a David versus Goliath situation here. This sucker is huge, but this is the Eufy SmartDrop secure delivery box. This is made to work with your packages, Amazon, UPS, FedEx, whatever it is. It's got a camera built in, secures your packages, gives your delivery driver access. Now, we're not going to unbox it right now because it's too big to do that, but we are going to just set it up briefly and then show you how to construct it, because it's more of a construction project, at least it looks like it, but we'll see. We'll kind of tell you how hard that was, but and then we're gonna put it into use and see how it works. Let's get started. What up, everybody? It's George Langabeer with SilverHammer Surveillance. Here on the channel, we talk tech and we talk security, and once again, we're kind of talking about something that's both. We're talking about the Eufy SmartDrop secure delivery box. And in the essence of time, we're going to set this up real quick, and then we're going to go put it outside, and then let it roll for a while and see what our delivery drivers think, and then we'll do a review. But let's get started, set it up. Okay, so thank you, Teresa, for putting it together for me. I don't do so well with tedious tasks.
Yeah, you're not very patient.
No, I'm not at all. Anyway, we've got it bolted down. We've kind of checked it out. So basically, you just hit the open button. You put in a code that you choose, a pin that you choose. You're going to put that on the address label of your packages. So we'll see how that goes. I'm going to start using it this week. You can see here in the app, the camera's right here. It's got a pretty good camera on it. Sounds like the audio is pretty good on it. We've got to try that out.
We also set off the siren.
There you can hear the audio. I'm going to turn my phone down. You can open it remotely. So I could do that remotely if somebody couldn't get into it. And then please close the lid manually. So your delivery person will just do that. But yeah, that's it. The siren was pretty loud. It's a pretty decent siren. Not to freak somebody out. All right, so that's it. So we're going to try this out for a bit. Give it a week or so. We get packages here every day, so we'll see what happens, and then we'll do the review at the end, and that'll be that. Okay, so we've had this set up for a couple weeks. I'm going to give you my thoughts, but before that, I want to give you a couple of things to keep in mind, and I want to give you some specs. So as far as things to keep in mind, as you saw, the setup's pretty easy. You do want to charge it before you set it up. It's got a micro USB included, and so you just give it a charge real quick. We'll show you here how the battery comes out. But we've had a couple weeks of battery life, and it's always already going low, so we'll see about that. But anyway, so keep in mind that you want to charge that battery. And then storage options. So you can either use a home base, a Eufy home base, if you have that for another Eufy product, and then you don't have to worry about cloud storage, but they do have two different cloud storage options. One's for $299, one's for $999. So keep that in mind as far as if you want it recorded. Obviously, if a delivery driver, if you just want to watch that live, you don't technically need it recorded, but if something was stolen or they tried to steal that box, you might want that recorded in one of those two ways, either the home base or the cloud storage. So keep those two things in mind. Moving on to specs, the camera is 1080p. You know, nowadays we've got 4K options, 2K options, but for what we're using this for, I think 1080p is fine. You've got an IP65 weather rating, so this thing is weatherproof. We've already had it cut through the rain and the snow, and it's been great. So IP65 does just fine for this thing. It's got two-way audio. We'll talk about that in a second. Motion detection triggers, so we find that's been pretty responsive when somebody walks up to it, or even people in this parking lot. You got that motion detection trigger. Eufy saying that it will hold 99% of all packages. Now that's my only question mark, but we are unique here because we do have some bigger packages. You know, we get full camera systems and big DVR boxes, so we're not a fair test. So our 99%, no way, but maybe your typical homeowner, yes. Amazon, UPS, FedEx for your typical homeowner, but for us, no, not 99%, but it does hold quite a bit. So that's pretty awesome. It's $399.99 for this thing. Pretty expensive, but for the build quality and the camera and what it does, I mean, you know, some cameras are that expensive, so yeah, little pricey, but might be worth it if it prevents a couple packages from being stolen. It pays for itself. All right, let's talk about how this thing actually works, how to open it. So basically what you do is you put a PIN code that you determine. You put that in the second line of an address, like so instead of your apartment number, you're gonna put that PIN code for Amazon, UPS, FedEx, whatever it may be. And then that driver is supposed to know that code, and then they put it in there. So that's one way to do it. If it is empty, you can just walk up to it and open it. You can use your phone app. You personally, the person that owns this thing, can use the phone app to open it. And then it's got a traditional key, so you can go old school and unlock it with a key in case something does fail. And then Alexa or Google Assistant, you can use that. Now, I'm a little disappointed it doesn't support HomeKit. Come on, Eufy, you were on a roll there with HomeKit for a while, and now you're kind of a little iffy about what you pick and choose goes in HomeKit. So I wish I had HomeKit very much, but Amazon and Google people out there, you'll love that. So that's it. That's kind of the specs and some things to keep in mind. What do I actually think about this thing? Okay, so I love the camera. The angle of the camera, the quality of the camera is fine for what we're using it for. You know, it's a little low, but you want that to be low. You want a driver you want to see that package, so that camera's great. The build quality is great. You know, you can bolt it to the ground. We've got it bolted there. So, you know, we've got it in concrete. I've tried to, you know, fake steel it myself. It's very hard to pull out. I mean, it doesn't budge. So if you've got wood or whatever it may be, you do want to bolt it down. So it's great that they give you that option, and that hardware is included. They give you some nice strong anchors for concrete. So I love that. You know, the siren, we set off the siren. It's pretty loud. It was pretty easy to put together, at least. What do you think, Teresa?
Yeah, probably about 20 minutes. But once we got going, it went pretty well.
Yeah, and the instructions are great. And like I said, you just follow the app. You know, you just want to give it a charge first and then put it together, and then you're good to go. But about 20 minutes. All right, so the two-way audio, that's great. So you can talk to your drivers, or if somebody's going up to steal it, you can scare them away. I find that speaker works really well. Does somebody actually use it? Big question mark. All right, so it's great in theory, but in the couple weeks we've done it, I've only had 2 people use it. So in all fairness, when we first opened this shop, I was very protective of our packages for our customers and the expensive price tags on some of our camera systems. So I really hit it home on FedEx and UPS to deliver to our garage. So very trusted drivers that we have every day had that garage code. And so it's been a struggle for me whether I wanted to deprogram them to use this thing instead of our garage, because our garage is big and secure, and I know all those big packages that are going there. So in fairness to them, I don't blame them for still using my garage code, because I can think that they sense from me that that's still how I'd like them to do it. But for Amazon, where we get small packages, Amazon drivers are the ones that have used it. We don't have regular Amazon drivers here. So it's almost like the ones that did use it are kind of used to it, like they've used it before. So that's great. And Amazon's a little easier to put in special instructions in their app. So if you put in special instructions that you have one of these, that helps. FedEx and UPS, that's kind of a little more pain in the butt. And so, like I said, I know our drivers here and I've talked to them about this thing, but I don't blame them for sensing my urgency to get it in the garage instead. So I wish we had a house, so this was a little more fair review in that regard. But the drivers that have used it thought it was really easy and thought it was cool and seemed to know what they were doing. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. What do you think? Do you have one? If you do, have your drivers used it? Because I'd love to give that comment out there. Like I said, this isn't really a fair environment to give that a true review. So I'd love to hear from you guys. What do your drivers think? Do they have any feedback for you? If you have any questions about this thing, let me know. I know $399.99 is a lot to spend on something like this. But like I said, I think it could pay for itself by preventing packages from being stolen. You never know. Hopefully you liked the video in general. If you did, smash the like button. Keep subscribed to the channel. We love to have your support. We do release videos every Tuesday. We have had 2 weeks off, one for a fun vacation, another for a vacation where we moved our personal residence. Teresa and I are both very excited about it.
Yeah.
But we also have a YouTube studio in our new place. And next week, we're going to do our first video from that YouTube studio. And we're very excited about that. So we want your feedback on that. That's going to be a work in progress. And I'd love to have you guys help me build it over time. But I'm pretty excited about even the way it's going to start and letting you guys see it next week. So until then, peace and love.